Good morning guys, in front of me is Sony Ericsson Xperia X8 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first click on left button and now select change wallpaper. Select the source from which you want to pick your wallpaper. It can be one from live wallpapers, pictures or Sony wallpapers, and actually I would like to select this third option and now just choose the picture that you want to cover your screen with. Okay, so let me pick for example this one, then click on set wallpaper, and that's it. As you can see, it is applied. You can smoothly use it, then you can change it whenever you wish. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.